Hi, my name is Dr. Sean Nikravan, endocrinology, metabolism, and internal medicine. Obesity is a dreaded disease that affects the entire globe. It causes so many complications with so many disorders, and if you look at every single disease we have in our textbooks, obesity is always a risk factor for that disease. Therefore, reduction of body weight is very important. But first, as an endocrinologist, we focus very strongly by ruling out causes of obesity, being if it's the thyroid, if it's the adrenal, is it the pituitary, what hormone imbalance is causing this problem? Is there a secondary cause to the obesity? Once that has been ruled out, we focus very strongly by partnering with the patient, making them understand where the problem is. If it's a caloric excess, we try to create a caloric deficit through our weight loss program, or through a weight loss program by giving specific menus to the patient, or putting them in a supervised weight loss program to induce weight loss and change their metabolic profile. Therefore, partnering up with your doctor and your patient is the most important thing, because this is a long-term investment. The weight that came on over time will go off over time, and rapid weight loss is not what we're looking for. We're looking for gradual weight loss over time that can stay off by lifestyle behavioral changes. For further information, please contact the office and we'll be happy to assist you further.